Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Daikon Dave from the Food Literacy Center, and today we're making a recipe from the fresh ingredients you could get at the Oak Park Farmers Market. So today we are making cucumber dill salad. So if you go down to the farmers market, and check out all the beautiful fresh produce they have. They have such a wide variety of cucumbers right now. So Wednesday I went down there and I got one of these, some of these. These are like normal, what do you call a regular cucumber? Okay, we're gonna use one of those today. They have these super fun small pickling cucumbers. So these are fun. You could actually use these to pickle, well, we're making kind of a pickled salad today, so why not get some pickling cucumbers? That's what they call these, super fun. And also, they have what's called lemon cucumbers. Can you guys guess why they call that a lemon cucumber? Right, it kind of looks like a lemon, and believe it or not, it actually has kind of a citrus taste to it as well. So, why don't we dive right into making the recipe, and we'll go through our ingredients and make sure we have everything before we start, right? So we don't necessarily have Persian cucumbers, but I have a wide variety of cucumbers here we're gonna cut up. This nice, beautiful onion I got at the farmer's market as well. So we have onion, fresh dill. I couldn't find fresh dill, but we have dried dill, and that works just as well. Fresh mint. We got some mint over here. Sesame seeds. We got our sesame seeds. Salt and pepper. I've actually made the brine already of the white vinegar. We're just going to use regular white vinegar today. Super neutral vinegar for that. Water and sugar. So I've made the brine already, so we're just gonna pour that over our salad. So let's get started with chopping these up. So I wanted to share with you something that I do at home to make your cucumbers look really cool when you cut them up. So I'm gonna take my vegetable slicer and just slice and just peel stripes down my cucumbers. So let me show you, kind of like that, right? So alternating like inch and a half apart. It doesn't have to be perfect, because when you slice it, you can't really tell, but it looks really pretty. So let me show you what that looks like after I'm done. Maybe one more right here. So when you're done, your cucumber is gonna look something like this. Compost. And we're going to chop it up, and we're going to use our claw, right? Because we don't want to lose a finger. So we're going to use our claw to get your fingers out of the way, and we're just going to make slices, right? And how fun is that? See, I don't know if you could tell, but it makes these super cool looking chips, right? So using my claw, whoa, we got stuff rolling all over the place. So I'm going to chop this up real quick. Come on. Okay. So that makes it super pretty in the salad. And also, the thinner you cut them, the more pickled they get overnight. The thicker you cut them, the crunchier they'll be, right? So you can pick how thick you want to cut your cucumbers. I'm just gonna knock through this real quick. We'll be here all day cutting cucumber, right? So there you have it. You have a big stack of these really cool looking coins of cucumber. So we'll stick that in there. I'm not going to peel my pickling cucumber because I actually like the skin on them. Oh, fresh. The salad's going to be super tangy and sweet, right? Dill and cucumber are a classic combination. So there. Now we're going to go into our lemon cucumber. How many people have tried lemon cucumber before? Right? So let's cut into this and see what it looks like. So you can see on the inside, it's very kind of greenish, really nice. So I'm just going to chop that into chunks. I'm going to chop this into slices as well. And they have kind of a citrusy taste. I'm gonna Mmm. Super good. So we're using our claw. We're gonna stick those in there, okay, and now we need some onion. Onions at the farmer's market right now are so crispy and good and sweet. What I'm gonna do is half it. I'm gonna do half rings. So how you do that is you're gonna use your tunnel, cut that in half, like that. You're gonna cut both ends off, the root end and the stem end, so we can just peel the skin off the outside, the crispy skin off the outside. Compost that later. And we're just going to cut half rings. So we're going to start from one end using our claw. I'm going to use half rings. So you got a half a slice here that you could break up, so you don't get full chunks of onion in your mouth, okay? So we're going to slice this onion up with our claw. Take your time. Tunnel. And there we go in the bowl. So we're going to cut our onion into the bowl in half rings. Okay. Let me show you. Oh, and it's going to be so colorful. We have the lemon cucumber, the pickling cucumber, and the regular cucumber that we made the stripes on. Now we have to do the mint. This is something the kiddos could help you with, and they love doing this. So we're just going to tear off some mint, and the kids could just tear it into our bowl. So we are going to just tear the mint in the bowl, and the fun thing about tearing mint in the bowl, you can smell your fingers and it smells like mint. So we're going to take about a tablespoon worth, tear that into our salad. Like I said, I couldn't find fresh dill, so we're going to use dry dill. It's perfect. How much dill? Tablespoon of dill. Right, dill, cucumber, classic combination. I'm going to sprinkle that on. And sesame seeds. Who doesn't like sesame seeds? All right. We need a teaspoon of sesame seeds. Sprinkle those over the top. Right, give you a bit of texture and a little pop when you're eating it. Right, and at this point, if you want to add a little salt and pepper, right, we're going to do a little pinch of salt over the top. And some fresh ground pepper. Like I said, I already made our brine ahead of time. Now this, you're just going to put your water, vinegar, and sugar in here and heat it on the stove just until, keep stirring just until the sugar is dissolved, and it's only going to take a couple of minutes. I mean, it doesn't even boil. So we're going to take this and pour it over the top. Perfect. And I'm going to use a pair of tongs just to stir that up and break up some of these onions that didn't separate in here. Right? We're going to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator for like an hour, or it's even better overnight. You're going to get the pickling, the sweet and sour. But I'm even going to try it right now because I wish you guys could smell this. You got the onion, the vinegar, it's a little sweet. So what I'm going to do is put a little in a bowl and let's give it a shot, shall we? I want to get a little bit of onion, a little bit of that lemon cucumber, or pickling cucumber, and of course some of that dressing and spice in there. I got my pork, and all right, let's give it a shot, shall we? Let's see how we did. Get a little piece of onion, a little piece of cucumber in there in the sauce. Wow, the cool fresh cucumbers from the farmer's market with that onion. You get a little tang from the onion, little tang and sweet from the pit from our brine. That is tasty. It's even going to be better tomorrow when we take it out of the fridge. So that's all for our cucumber and dill salad. Don't forget, we'll see you at the farmer's market either Wednesday or Saturday in Oak Park. If you receive EBT benefit, make sure to check out the EBT booth. It either has a flag or a banner that says EBT benefit. And we'll see you at the farmer's market. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy your cucumber dill salad.